Hi everyone, my name is Colin and welcome to another video from West Cork Beard Company. Today we're going to be making a beard oil at home and I'm going to keep it super simple and we're only going to use two ingredients. I'm going to be using Argan Oil, which is going to be our carrier oil, and Peppermint Oil, which is going to be our essential oil. You can get all these ingredients and items on Amazon.com, so it's very easy to pick them up. So I'll quickly go through what we're going to be using today. First of all, we're going to be using our carrier oil. I'm going to be using Argan Oil, but you can use all sorts of different types of carrier oils, such as golden jojoba oil or sweet almond oil or whatever one you choose. We're going to be using essential oil, peppermint oil. It's nice and fresh, but you can use any essential oil you'd like. Just be careful with the amount you put in. Sometimes it can be a little bit harsh for your skin if you put in a little bit too much. So we're going to be using our two oils. What else do we need? We need a small little beaker. I've got a 50ml beaker here. We're going to be using 30 mils of that. We've got our funnel to put the oil into the bottle. After we've it made, we have our bottle and our bottle top as well, and then we also have our pipette for putting the peppermint oil into the carrier oil and also for mixing at the end. So let's go. First of all, I'm going to open up my Argan oil and I'm going to pour 30 mils into the beaker. So have a look, and we're going to go down, put it in like this, like so, up to the 30 ml mark. That's that done. Next, I'm going to open up my peppermint oil, and like I said, I've calculated now just to put a half a mil of peppermint essential oil into the Argan oil. That gives it a nice fresh scent, but isn't too harsh for your skin. So just be careful, like I said, of the amount of essential oil you put in. So I'm going to put it up to the half mil mark. These pipettes that you can get on Amazon, they're all marked in half mil increments, so it makes it very easy. That's it there, half a mil. That goes, pops it into the Argan oil. We're done with the pipette for the moment. Put the top on, and next we'll get your pipette, squeeze the top of it so as you're stirring, none of the oil goes up into the pipette. So we're going to stir that just for a few seconds, just to mix everything up. Like I said, I'm going to keep it nice and simple, just two ingredients, very easy to make. So mix it up. I can already smell the peppermint, so it's nice and fresh, perfect for morning time. So mix it up, a couple of seconds. From there then, we're going to get our bottle and we're going to put our funnel into the top of the bottle, just so there's no mess. And then you're going to pour what you have in the beaker into the bottle, like so. That's it, get every last drop, shake that out a little bit, take your funnel off. As you can see now, it's a nice even 30 ml there. We're going to get our top, so just pop that in. The top has a pipette on it as well to make sure you can get out the oil out nice and easy. Click it on, the tamper-proof seal will go on, and that's it. We've got our beard oil made. Give it a little bit of a shake, put it in your bathroom, and that's you good to go for probably about 6 weeks for a regular beard. That little bottle of oil there should do you for that amount of time. Like I said, everything can be bought on Amazon.com. I think you probably have to buy the pipettes in packs of 10 or maybe 20. Same with the bottles, you might have to buy them in groups of 3. But if you are going to be making your own beard oil at home, it's good to have 1 or 2 bottles on hand. Like I said, do a little bit of experimenting with the carrier oil and the essential oil. After a while, you'll get to know what you like, especially yourself. So I hope that helps you making some beard oil at home. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll make sure to get back to you on those. Thanks a million for watching, and see you in the next video.